What's up, y'all? I'm out here today at Chabot. I'm doing a first ride of the Giant Fathom 2 29er. This is my first ride on the bike, and I'll see how it goes today. Haven't been to Chabot in a while, but it looks pretty nice right now. You got green grass everywhere. Definitely not often if you get this. So I just climbed the hill to get up here, and so far the bike climb is pretty great in my opinion. The Shimano Dior shifts very smooth. This is my first official ride back since I think Thanksgiving, when I got hurt. So I'm a little out of shape, so bear with me. First descent with the bike. Let's see how this giant crest works. Hopefully it's good. Woo! Little bumper. Not sure if you can hear, but the hub sounds awesome. So far, fork's been pretty nice, pretty smooth. Let's take this. Hey. Really liking the hub noise. Feel like people can easily hear me. Not sure if you could tell, but it's pretty loud. Hopefully I could try to show you that people move out of the way when they hear the bike coming. Somehow. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Hopefully she moves out of the way. might be the most people I've ever seen on 10 Hills. Thanks. Hey. Ooh. Lots of leaves, huh? Bike feels very secure, that's for sure. 29ers. Oy. Oy. Woo. Yeah. Sick. Woo. So there's been a lot of reviews about the Giant Crest fork and how it clicks. And I'm not sure if you can hear it in the video, but I'm afraid mine clicks as well. Performance wise, nothing wrong with the bike at all. It's flawless, but it is kind of annoying when you're going down on a bumpy section and you hear these bumps. I've heard about it a lot in the forums, and my street riding, I didn't hear it, but I think I hear it now. Kind of sounds like a pencil tapping against my fork. But so far the fork's been pretty good still besides that. So hopefully nothing's faulty performance wise, but so far so good. I definitely will have to be emailing Giant to see if they will warranty this, because I'm pretty sure that's faulty. Look how beautiful that looks though. Woo! Nice little jump. Woo! Yeah. Not sure if you can hear it, but there's a clicking noise, and that is from the fork. The Tetra brakes that come on the bike, they don't have that much stopping power, so that's something I noticed. It would be nicer if it was 4 pistons, but so far, it's not too bad. But it doesn't inspire confidence for sure. Hey. Ooh, love it. Thank you. Whew. Spot's pretty rutted. Not sure if you can hear it, but fork is clicking. That was pretty good. Aside from the fork clicking, felt good to me.